I'm Brittany Daly over at the Hayer Group, and we just made a video for you about vacation rentals. So, as we're sending you these amazing opportunities for investments and vacation properties, you naturally are going to have a lot of questions. So we thought we'd gather a list of the most commonly asked questions and answer them for you right now. Let's go.
All right, so Bri, how long is the vacation rental operating license valid for?
Your license is valid for 12 months, and that's 12 months from the date that you have gotten approval, and it's renewable on an annual basis.
Now, is my vacation rental license transferable?
Unfortunately, it is non-transferable. What that means for you is if you identify a property that already has an Airbnb on it, you will have to go ahead and do the application process on your own. It will not be transferred to you.
And how do I renew my vacation rental operating license?
Guys, it's very simple to renew. All you have to do is submit your fee of $235, provide proof of property insurance, and provide proof of your hotel occupancy tax.
And where do I get a certificate of occupancy, and is there a fee?
All right, guys, here's the good news. You get your CO from the City of Austin. That's gonna be the Building Inspections Division. And the better news, it is at no cost to you.
Now, if I don't get a certificate of occupancy, where do I go for an inspection instead?
All right, so guys, if you don't get a CO from the City of Austin, you can go to the Texas Real Estate Commission. They can hook you up with a list of inspectors, or even better, just give us a call and we're happy to link you up.
Well, I'm sure that's not all the questions you have in mind. I'm sure you have more questions about vacation rentals. So another question that I get asked a lot is,
how much is the vacation rental licensing and notification fee?
Well guys, it's very reasonable. It's around $235 for the application fee and another $50 for the notification fee that needs to be submitted with the City of Austin.
And are there payment options for the licensing and notification fee?
Nope. City of Austin thinks that paying $235 and a $50 in notification fee is pretty reasonable, and they will only take payment in terms of cash, money order, or certified check.
Does proof of hotel occupancy tax apply to everyone?
Well, every person who owns, operates, controls, manages, or collects a payment for occupancy in any hotel or vacation rental is supposed to collect hotel occupancy tax as a part of their rental rate. Now, please know this rental income that you are generating on your vacation rentals, a small portion of that goes towards hotel occupancy tax, and City of Austin would be collecting it on quarterly basis from you guys.
And where would I pay my hotel occupancy tax?
Well, City of Austin guys make it easy to make the payment, so you can just go to their website, and if we're having a hard time finding out about it, just reach out to us and we'll point you in the right direction.
What if I don't get a license for my vacation rental?
Well, its answer is simple. If you don't get the license, you don't go for a vacation rental. And matter of fact, there is a link that I can provide for all enforcements and all the citations that are applicable to the violations. So the simple answer is, you don't get the application approved, you don't go for the vacation rental. Well, I hope guys you found this useful, and I'm sure as you progress in your journey to invest in vacation rentals, you will have more experiences and more questions, and we will be here to guide you along the way. And as professionals, we don't have all the answers on our hand all the time, but we do have right people in place to get you the correct information to make a great decision. Well, until then, make it a great day. Bye.